Hi there, my name's Ben Golland. I'm a Commercialization Manager at QMUL Innovation, the technology transfer company for QMUL, and this presentation is going to cover how to write a strong expression of interest application for the QMUL Impact Fund. The QMUL Impact Fund is designed to provide support to research projects beyond the boundaries of academia. This can be commercial, for example, developing intellectual property that could be licensed out or used to back a spin-out company. On the other hand, it can also be non-commercial, including activities that bring about policy change, societal change, or cultural change. There are both small awards up to £10,000 and large awards up to £50,000. For context, these funds come from QMUL's own internal proof of concept funding and the impact acceleration accounts the university holds from the EPSRC and STFC. For further details, please check the specific calling notice, the guidance notes on the application, or reach out to the contacts at the end of the presentation. The rest of this video is going to focus on the different sections in the expression of interest form, so let's get started. What is the current unmet need? For the first section, we want you to clearly state what the problem is you want to solve. For a healthcare opportunity, this would be the underlying clinical need, maybe the disease or condition itself, or the problems faced by patients. For engineering or materials type projects, it may be the limit with current technology. For other impact opportunities, it may be a problem with existing behaviour or policy, or the lack of the latter altogether. Regardless of the type of project, please remember to provide references as you would with a publication. What is your solution? In section 2, we'd like you to tell us how you are going to solve the problem you described in the previous section. This could be a technological advance, such as a prototype you want to build, or it could be a policy document or program you want to develop to change behaviour. Regardless of project, there will likely be some link to your current research, so please link to the research and expertise that this builds upon, including any preliminary results you may have collected. For new technology, it would be useful to identify the key things that make your solution novel and unique, which could become the basis for a patent application. For more information on patenting, please see our other resources. What is the main outcomes? The third section is concerned with the expected outcomes of the award if you were successful, and an overview for achieving them. For example, this could be the building of a prototype and testing in a real environment. This can also include details of, for example, how you intend on using the expertise of a company or a colleague in another school, and also detail how long this should take, such as in the region of 9 to 12 months. The most important thing is detailing how you intend to measure success. What is your plan? The fourth section builds on the previous section, but should include a step-by-step plan of how you will get to the expected outcomes. What are you going to spend the funding on? What are the specific deliverables and milestones? To be clear, a deliverable is something tangible, such as the finished prototype itself or draft policy document, whereas a milestone can be something intangible, such as a point in time, like the completion of testing or completion of implementation for a new policy. How will you reach the market? The fifth section is concerned with any further stages that may be required after this award to reach the market. Typically, the funds from the Impact Fund are just the start of moving research out of the lab, and further funding will be required to fully translate innovations. Is further funding required to develop another prototype? In the case of healthcare projects, will a clinical trial be required? Regardless of project, please detail what will be required and where the funds will be sourced to further develop this work, such as other translational grants. Who are you working with? The penultimate section asks you to detail any collaborators involved in the project. This could be external companies or other institutions. You may have an ongoing research collaboration already, so this is an opportunity to detail existing agreements. For new collaborations, this is an opportunity to indicate interest shown by third parties, such as letters of support which can be attached. For technology projects, please also detail any publications, posters, presentations, or other material that may already be in the public domain. This is important for considering patentability and the strength of the IP position. Again, for more information on patenting, please see our other resources. Have you done this before? Lastly, please let us know if you have applied to the Impact Fund before or its predecessors, the Proof of Concept Fund or Impact Acceleration accounts. Please note this allows reviewers to understand continuity with previous projects and how we can best support the project detailed in the application. We encourage academics to reapply to the Impact Fund, both for new projects and projects where feedback has been built upon. In summary, the expression of interest form is the initial application for the QMUL Impact Fund, designed to support the start of translation of research outside academia. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to the Impact Officer, wider Impact team, or Queen Mary Innovation. We'd also welcome questions regarding specific projects you think would be appropriate for the Impact Fund, and are happy to provide feedback on draft applications with enough notice. Thank you and good luck.